Hello there, I'm Raj from Refined, and if your organization wants to transform Jira Service Management with better structure, custom themes, UX that anyone can master, all without coding and using simple drag-and-drop design tools, then you've come to the right place.
Refined is a site builder for Confluence and Jira Service Management, available on the Atlassian Marketplace. I'm going to demo the data center version of Refined for JSM. If you're on cloud, click on this link for a cloud demo. On data center, Refined sites are built on top of native JSM, meaning that you can package your choice of content from JSM into any number of Refined sites, public or private, each with its own content and custom design tailored to the needs of end users. Refined sites are made for customer users in JSM to create and access JSM requests on the JSM Help Center. Agents and Jira users still work in the native Jira UI. Site building is fast and easy. You can create theme sites in minutes, internal service management sites, customer support sites, HR service desks, and anything else that you can think of, all from one JSM instance.
In this video, I'll show you how just a little bit of time site building can radically improve the user experience for your existing JSM users, all the while opening up JSM to new users and use cases. If you have questions at the end, be sure to sign up to talk to one of my colleagues directly, or watch a more in-depth video linked below. Let's get started.
Thousands of companies worldwide are turning to Refined to further enhance the JSM experience in a few key ways. Firstly, to serve their customer users with fully customized portal experiences as per the needs of those particular customers. These users might have access to large numbers of JSM portals and content coming from a single JSM instance. Refined helps cut through the noise of all this access and allow audiences to access exactly what they need when they need it. JSM often also needs to serve multiple audiences or groups of customer users with content tailored specifically to those different audiences and the unique support needs of each of these. Improving the customer experience by promoting self-service and providing knowledge-based content stored in Confluence, putting this out in front of users where they can find and consume it easily. Refined lets you surface knowledge-based content in intuitive ways, depending on the needs of your audience.
Without these fixes, organizations can be leaving potentially transformative improvements to their Atlassian stack on the table. Important information goes unseen. Productivity suffers. Adoption lags. Here's where Refined comes in. We give Atlassian admins the tools to create intuitive sites tailored specifically towards the audiences of that site, containing the information that they need to access in an easy-to-navigate manner. Let's take a deeper look into what Refined offers and how this could benefit you and your organization.
Our theme editor allows you to fully apply your organization's branding to sites presenting your JSM portals. We've taken a low-code, no-code approach here, meaning that you don't need to be a developer or a designer for that matter to make as many good-looking themes as you need. Things like background colors, page designs, menu settings, and other customization options can easily bring your site in line with other branded properties that your users are used to, like your main website, for example. With Refined, JSM customer users don't need to sift through all the portals and requests they may have access to on your JSM instance to find what they need, but you can create tailored navigations for them by grouping together relevant projects within Refined's navigation menus in the site builder to give the end user an easy-to-use website experience. Refined allows you to build fully customized landing pages in minutes that can be used to guide the user on exactly where they need to go and highlight important links and information. You have the tools to create flexible and unique designs using building blocks called modules. These range from icons, links, and CTA buttons to request creation and viewing modules, all according to admin-defined filters. Add, remove, drag and drop, size and design modules to your liking. No coding necessary. A clean, intuitive search interface helps users to quickly locate whatever it is they came for, and if you set it up this way, to also be able to browse through your knowledge base. You're able to set up these search modules to filter down on exactly what you need for your users to search on. This is particularly helpful with knowledge base content coming from Confluence, allowing customer users to self-serve effectively. You can also ensure that your end users never hit a dead end by using promoted search results. Give them admin-defined top results based on their search terms. You can even take one landing page and use this to cater to the needs of multiple stakeholders as needed, by creating a section of the layout tailored towards, for example, anonymous users. They could see a message asking them to log in, and more information that might be useful for them to see. For logged-in users, they can see a section containing their already created JSM requests. You can take this further by creating sections targeted towards different groups of your own logged-in users, and serve them with different content based on their permissions and needs. So even huge enterprise-wide sites can be carefully and seamlessly managed across Jira user groups. Do the same for sites and set them as start sites for different user groups or for anonymous users based on the needs of your audiences. And on the admin side, you can empower colleagues with permissions to manage and design sites with admin delegation. Either make them refined administrators so they can manage all refined related settings, or make them site administrators to manage specific sites as per what you need. You can build both internal and external facing support sites using Refined for JSM. Elevate the face of your support tools. Up the standard of both ITSM across your organization and external support towards your customers, with easy-to-navigate sites that facilitate self-help and requests. Add and group together multiple JSM projects into one help site, targeted towards your users. Structure your help site to allow users to easily navigate to the kind of support they're looking for. And help business teams like human resources and finance use Jira Service Management to deploy support-style solutions on an approachable and branded interface. Ensure that your customers never reach a dead end by setting up and using promoted search results to guide them to useful links based on their search terms. You can set up matchwords, and then if the customer searches for one of these matchwords, then your promoted search result is pushed to the top of the results in the search box. Help users help themselves. Highlight request types and self-help articles that customers seek most on site homes and on different landing pages. Drive down support requests and promote self-service by integrating issue trackers and knowledge base modules onto your support sites, helping users to self-serve and find relevant information related to their requests and the different questions that they might have for you and your team. You might already have in mind the first site that you need to build to achieve your business goals and solve any issues you're currently facing. You can easily expand to multiple sites and use cases as needed, and serve multiple audiences with separate refined sites, while maintaining your content in one place on one Atlassian instance. There's no limit to the number of sites that you can build or who you can build them for.
Simply put, build as many sites as you need, all from one Atlassian instance. It could be one site for many audiences, with permissions set on sections to serve each audience with custom content as per what they need. Or it could be multiple sites, serving multiple audiences with the same content coming from one Atlassian instance. You can try the Refined app for free for 30 days through the Atlassian Marketplace. If you need more information or if you want a custom demo tailored towards your needs, feel free to contact our sales team. And if you're curious to learn more about how to set up and build refined sites, watch a more in-depth video here.